Sellers, use your equity to achieve your goals. Good news, home equity is on the rise and most sellers are in better shape than they think. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. If you are a homeowner, odds are your home equity has grown significantly in the last couple of years. We all know that home equity builds over time as home values grow and as you pay down your mortgage. According to the Equity Insights report, and I quote, the average homeowner has nearly 300,000 in home equity. Understanding how home equity works and how to leverage it is important for any homeowner. If your current space no longer fits your needs, it might be time to think about moving to a larger home and utilizing your home equity as a down payment. You would be surprised how leveraging your equity can change your affordability that you didn't think you had. Your equity can be a game changer for reinvesting in your needs and pursuing your goals. This is why it is important to understand your current home value. Please reach out to my team and me to get the current market value of your home and learn how much equity you may have in your home. Once again, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of integrity and excellence. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.